Hello everyone, my name is Nina Bangadivan. My entry number is 237506. In this video, I would like to explain about my assignment 1, which in this assignment 1, I need to draw EER diagram. First step in case study, we need to identify the entity and the attribute. So basically, this assignment about Flying Express, which is transport company that operating in Malaysia. So first of all, we need to find the entity and the attributes in the case study. So I already highlight entity and attributes in this paragraph. So the first entity is company. Attribute for the company is the company ID. So quotation, for the quotation, attribute is size of the goods, days of the delivery, valid date. So for the first paragraph, we have two entities, company and quotation. Then move on to second paragraph or second slide. For the second slide, we have two more entities, client and delivery. For the client, attributes are client ID. So for the delivery attributes are delivery ID, delivery date, delivery address, and address items. For the second paragraph, we have two entities, client and the delivery. So next slide. For the next slide, okay, this line is a very important line. So we identify the hand return concept. So there are two categories of the driver, the regular driver and part-time driver. Part-time drivers are paid according to the transmission, distance and process of the driver license, while driving will be paid a fixed monthly salary and overtime. So we have to apply hand return concept, which is as a two categories such as regular driver and part-time driver. So in this concept, we need to apply the mandatory and or because the driver must be either regular driver or part-time driver, and here we can classify the driver as a superclass and the regular driver and part-time driver as the subclasses. Okay. Next step is define the relationship and multiplicity. So for the first paragraph, company relationship provided arrow equal to quotation. So the multiplicity is 1 to 1 and many to 1. So company provided, the symbol is the arrow is show to quotation. So this information in the line of the system starting a client request for the quotation for the transporting their goods. Then the company will be provided a quotation based on several factors such as size of the goods and the place of delivery. The quotation will be valid for the 15 days from date of issue. So this is relationship between company and quotation. So 1 to 1 and many to 1. So next is client and quotation. So the relationship is agree. The arrow will show client agree, arrow quotation. So the multiplicity is 1 to 1 and 1 to 1. It will show in this one when the customer has agreed with the quotation. Then the delivery details such as the distance, delivery address, and delivery items collected will be taken. So the distance between these addresses will be determined, and the price will be calculated based on these figures. When the delivery date is approaching, a vehicle and at least one driver will be identified for the delivery. So this is the relationship between client and quotation. So next slide, relationship between quotation, delivery, vehicle. So the first relationship between quotation take delivery. So the multiplicity is 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. The next is delivery to vehicle. So approaching 1 to many and many to 1. This is relationship between quotation delivery and delivery vehicle. So in this paragraph, we can identify the multiplicity. So such as customer has agreed the quotation, then the delivery details such as delivery detail, delivery address, and delivery item collected will be taken. Then distance between this address will be determined, and the price will be calculated based on this figure. So delivery date is approaching a vehicle, and at least one driver will be identified for the delivery. Okay. So for the next slide, vehicle and delivery, and F13 regular driver and part-time driver. So the relationship is identified. So the multiplicity is 1 to many and many to 1. So here, so this is inheritance concept. So it will categorize or so it is mean like the driver must be either regular driver or the part-time driver. So this information is given at this slide. Vehicle information such as vehicle type, such as date and price will be kept in the each file. Then identify by the registration number of the vehicle. Then it is showing the multiplicity 1 to many and many to 1. Vehicle to driver, then driver to regular driver or part-time driver. So next slide. So next slide. So this is overall EER diagram for my assignment 1. It is start by the company provided the quotation, then client agreed with the quotation, then quotation taken by the delivery, then delivery approaching vehicle, then vehicle identify the driver, then driver, we can regular driver or the part-time driver. This is the full of the EER diagram. This is multiplicity 1 to 1, many to 1, then 1 to 1, 1 to 1. Then quotation for this is 1 to 0, 0 to 1, and 1 to many, many to 1, then many, 1 to many, then many to 1. This is overall assignment 1 EER diagram. Thank you. This is my overall EER diagram from my assignment 1 case study. So, thank you.